Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shibamemu token. Now this token is live for pre-sale right now on their webpage, brand new token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here, the Shibamemu token. So if you head over to their official webpage, which is Shibamemu.com, just exactly how the token is spelled, they have a pre-sale going on right now on their page. So far, they've raised $294,290.71. So they're doing very well. They have a price increase countdown. They go through different phases of the pre-sale. So right now, it's counting down 16 hours, 30 minutes left until the next price increase. Current price right now is a little bit over 1.2 pennies per token. Ticker symbol SHMU. So you can connect your wallet right to the page using your MetaMask wallet. Most likely you can use like Wallet Connect for like your Trust wallet or maybe Coinbase wallet, other wallets like that. Obviously MetaMask is the most popular one though, and almost all of these pre-sales for sure use MetaMask. Now, you can either go through, you can use the Ethereum blockchain or Binance Smart Chain, pay with ETH or BSC, and buy these Shibamemu tokens with ETH or BSC. And yeah, the swap is basically right on their page. Now, it says tokens can be claimed at the end of the pre-sale. They do have some links here. There is a CertiK badge. Most likely they have a CertiK audit or one in the works. They also have another badge here, SSL Secure. They've been seen on multiple news outlets. That's why they're doing so well right now in their pre-sale. They've been seen on Bloomberg, CoinMarketCap, BN Crypto, Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, and Cointelegraph. So, what is this all about? There's a giant white paper you can read, by the way, on their webpage as well. It is a 14-page white paper. We're just going to go over the main points, though. So Shibamemu is a show-off. It can do the work of 100 marketing agencies. So Shibamemu watches everything all the time. When you're sleeping, Shibamemu is working all day, all night, finding the best work going on in the creative advertising space, eating it up and spitting it back out, but better. This is a completely new and revolutionary meme token. It is a self-sufficient marketing capable, powered by AI technology to make it unique and an attractive investment. Unlike other meme tokens, which require significant marketing efforts from human teams to gain traction, Shibamemu will create its own marketing strategies, write its own PR, and promote itself in relevant forums and social networks. Shibamemu is a warrior that cuts through the fluff. Why have teams of sleepy people writing parodies of each other's work when we have a dog robot meme genius to do the work instead? So how it works, Shibamemu will generate more content than a tabloid newspaper crying for attention. Imagine gazillions of bytes of data feeding into press releases and marketing materials. Content will be published all other forums and all other forums and social media. It also monitors and analyzes the performance of its own marketing efforts, suggesting strategies to optimize results like a page out of the book Art of War. Shibamemu's artificial intelligence technology lets it engage with users directly. There will be a robotic dashboard to interact with the AI, provide feedback, make suggestions, and ask questions. And oh yes, you can talk to the robot meme dog marketing genius as well. So their tools here, they have different tools. First one is a sentiment analysis tools. By analyzing the sentiment of social media posts, forums, and other online communities related to Shibamemu, AI can help identify positive and negative sentiment towards the token. Shibamemu will suss the vibe and make sure everyone is happy. Also, predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data and marketing trends, AI can help predict future market trends and users' behavior. This can help Shibamemu identify potential market opportunities and adjust its market strategies accordingly. Also, personalization. AI personalized the marketing messages based on user behavior, preferences, and other data massively increases engagement. You know, when you speak to your friends about something suddenly and get an ad, like they're watching you, that's Shibamemu. And they also have the NLP, natural language processing, AI-powered NLP algorithms will analyze social media posts, forums, and other online communities to identify relevant discussions and topics related to Shibamemu. This information will be digested and turned into eye-catching marketing campaigns, drawing in hungry investors. And lastly, image and video recognition. AI-powered image and video recognition technology will help identify the track Shibamemu's logo and other brand elements across social media platforms and other online communities, helping track the marketing efforts more effectively. So their roadmap is on here. First launch of the token on the Ethereum blockchain, pre-sale, initial liquidity provided to decentralized exchanges after pre-sale. Then they're going to have a staking program launch after that. Then the development of the AI marketing, algorithms, implementation of real-time update marketing, launch of the dashboard, engagement with communities, platforms, forums, social media, more partnerships, development tools, materials, listing on central exchanges, major central exchanges, increased liquidity. This is a very lengthy roadmap. More utilities for the token, more applications, continued development of the AI technology, expand into new markets. And yeah, they talk about their AI dashboard if you want to learn about that. They also have the pre-sale purchase calculator, countdown to the next price increase, step-by-step how to buy using your MetaMask wallet is on the page, real easy to see. And yeah, so check this all out. They have frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page. Lots of socials, Instagram, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube channel, Reddit, Facebook, CoinMarketCap, contact, email, terms and conditions, privacy policy. You can check it all out. Shibamemu.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where we go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.